Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone custom ringtone guys. How can we set? Friends, you want to set guys your phone custom ringtone in your Samsung phone device. Well, how can we set guys phone custom ringtone in Samsung phone? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on my phone sound and vibration to set guys a phone custom ringtone. So guys, we will on my phone sound and vibration setting is tap here. Then guys, you can see the ringtone setting guys, we don't have any sound. So guys, custom ringtone guys, you can check guys, call recording guys, and get this recording guys you want to set in your mobile, so you can set. So guys, you can see a fog into space guys. I have got the ringtone. So first of all I will decrease this volume and I will set guys this custom ringtone, and friends come back. Friends, you can see this custom ringtone will set in my Samsung phone device. So guys, you can increase and decrease guys this volume from here. You want to increase, so you can increase and decrease from here. So like that guy, we can set guy phone custom ringtone. So that's it guy. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.